Hi guys, it's Bonnie, and welcome back to Hardcore Destruction, where today we will be destroying the only thing I can fucking afford these days for videos, which is this $5 camcorder. Yep, this is how low we've stooped at this point. Yep, you're not dreaming. I wish you were, but you're not. Alright, so it's time for the backdrop from about 6 foot in 3, 2, 1. Well, that sure as hell did not save at all. Okay, so it appears there's just some light scuffing and some scratches on that, but that's about it so far. Okay, we got the corner in 3, 2, 1. Oh guys, that's promising. Oh no, it shut off. Of course it shut off. Why wouldn't it? Guys, I regret to inform you that this guy is officially not gonna work ever again. And you wanna know why? One of the pins got pushed in on itself. So now, that battery won't stay in. How you like them apples, huh? Yay. Guys, we have bad luck number 2 now, so... You see the USB that pops out on the side? That won't come out all the way. So you know what that means? I can't plug it into my computer to transfer shit. Yeah, I know. How good. How great. No, dude, I'm telling you. This iPhone 8 has the best video quality ever. Definitely not lying for a skit or anything. Dude, wait. What about that G7X that's weirdly standing atop a tripod right in front of you? Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, I guess this is a good one too. Oh guys, what are you talking about? This is the best camcorder ever. Yas, queen? What the actual fuck? You have a hot pink camera. That's even too gay for someone like you. You know what? I'm just gonna be taking that real fast if you excuse me. No, give it back. This is for females. Comprende, dude? Okay, so now this thing is completely and utterly the gay camcorder of America. I honestly don't even know what to do at this point, but fun! You know what? You just know what? This thing was just a pain in my ass from the beginning, so let's give her hell now, shall we? Thank you guys so much for watching Hardcore Destruction $5 camcorder, which was basically, yeah, bad luck in video form. An unfortunate turn of events, if you will. But that's about it for today, so thank you guys so much for watching, and more videos will be on the way soon. Goodbye, guys.